In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create well-formatted Google Docs in Make.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the foundational step you can take when setting up your Google document. You can manually format your content if you want to, and this gives you a lot of control over how your document looks. Inside your Google Docs integration within Make.com, you'll need to create a document module. Here, you can enter your text using standard HTML tags. For example, if you want to create headings, you would use the H1 or H2 tags. This means you can simply type H1 your heading H1 for a main title, or H2 your subheading for a secondary heading. It's a straightforward way to ensure your headings are properly formatted. As you continue to develop your document, there may be times when you have text you want to emphasize. For that, you can use the or strong tags to make text bold. It's simple. Just enclose your text within these tags, like this, your bold text. If your document requires lists, you can easily add those too. Simply use the ul tag to define an unordered list and li tags for individual list items. For instance, you would start with ul and then add each item with li like this. Ul, first item. This approach provides clear and organized formatting for your lists. Now, if you want to take things a step further and automate your formatting, there's an incredible feature using OpenAI, more commonly known as ChatGPT. If you plan to pass text generated by AI directly into your Google Doc, it's vital to give specific instructions in your OpenAI system prompt. Here's a simple prompt example. You can only respond in HTML format, and you must use tags such as H2, P, OL, UL, B, and A. Do not respond in Markdown. This ensures that your AI-generated text not only maintains coherence, but also preserves the formatting style you want. You'd be surprised how efficient this makes your workflow. Next, once you've set up your OpenAI module and received the formatted output, the final step is to map this output directly into the content field of your Google Docs module in Make.com. This is a crucial step because the AI outputs are clean HTML. Thanks to this clean formatting, Make.com will take that HTML and automatically render it into a beautifully styled document rather than leaving it as raw code or plain text. So to recap, we first discussed how to format your content manually within Google Docs using various HTML tags. Following that, we explored how to use OpenAI to automate your formatting process with precise prompts. Finally, we made a connection between the outputs from the AI and the Google Docs module in Make.com, ensuring a seamless transformation of your text into a polished document. And that's a wrap. Now you've got the tools you need to create well-formatted Google Docs using Make.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found the tips helpful.